I always thought that the idea of wanting to go beyond Albert Einstein was something everybody would grow up wanting to do. It didn't occur to me that there was another thing that you would want to do with your life.
See, sometimes people say it's because it's quantum mechanical. It's not just that. There's something missing in the theory.
We are the biological bootloader for AI.
If we get the algorithm right, we're going to build something that is superhuman.
We can fill the AI's mind with love and compassion.
It could be terrible, and it could be great. It's not clear.
We're always worried about the AI becoming self-aware, a la Skynet. We are the AI, and we're about to become self-aware if we can figure out what our own source code is. What goes beyond Einstein's theory?
Does something unprecedented happen when we finally learn our own source code?
What happens when the universe finally contemplates itself?
This is heavy shit.
Well, it's time to go to the next level. And there's this one system of numbers nobody discusses, and that's called the octonions.
The complex numbers. They're an incredible system. You put one little thing in and you get all sorts of things that you'd never imagined before. It's the very crucial basis of quantum mechanics.
Nobody knows why they're there and what they mean.
What the am I looking at?
It's like a message from something that isn't human. I'm not going to say that it's God. I'm not going to say that it's logic or design.
But it's a more complex system of the universe.
That's right.
I quickly kind of realized that
I try to convince people to slow down AI, to regulate AI. I tried for years. It's too late.